Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we're seeing abundant low cloudiness this morning with those ceilings running around 200 or 300 feet. We are going to see those low clouds sticking in here for a few more hours and then seeing a little bit of improvement in those cloud ceilings as we go into the afternoon. May even see an isolated shower or two throughout the day. We'll look at our current surface analysis, and you can see that area of low pressure camping out just to the south of the Wallops area this morning. Seeing a lot of moisture being brought in with this system in the low levels. And as that moves off out to sea, we're going to finally see those winds switch over more to a northwest direction, and that will provide us with a little bit of drying as we go into the afternoon and especially into the overnight hours tonight. This morning's balloon release saw a freezing level at 9,100 feet, and our winds generally out of a north direction at the low levels of the atmosphere. Those winds become more westerly as we get up to around 25,000 feet, where we see those winds increasing as we go in height as well. Max wind through the profile this morning through the first 25,000 feet was at the 20,000 foot level where we see 57 knots. And at the 25,000 foot level, we see winds out of the west at 51 knots. Going to look at our radar this morning. You can see just a little bit of light rain activity off to the west, west of the Chesapeake Bay. Some of that activity could potentially move into the Wallops area around noon time today, and then potentially seeing some more precipitation chances as we go into the evening. None of these showers are expected to be heavy, very light in their intensity as they swing through the area, and they should be pretty isolated as well. So only looking at about a 20% chance of precipitation throughout the remainder of the day. You're going to look here at our our visible satellite. You can see lots of abundant cloudiness across the mid-Atlantic region this morning, and really not going to see many breaks in that throughout the day today. Just a few breaks expected as we go into the afternoon. And as we go into the evening, we get more of that northwest flow. We'll start to see those clouds really decrease at that time. So I wanted to take a look here at our model forecast and what we can expect as we go throughout the day today. Again, just some widely isolated showers for us before seeing those clearing skies tonight. By the time we get into the day on Friday, we'll start to see those northwesterly winds pick up and become quite breezy at times throughout the day. On Friday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. And again, those winds will be breezy at times. Could see a wind advisory posted here at Wallops throughout the day. As we go into the evening and beginning of the weekend for Saturday morning, expecting partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. See a little bit of an increase in our cloudiness by the afternoon hours as we see this system pass to our south. You can see the rain shower activity across the southeastern United States. I do think it'll be tough to get some of those showers in here before Sunday. So looking at another dry day on Saturday with just some very light isolated showers during the day on Sunday, as not really much in the way of energy this far north for us to get the precipitation of any significance here at Wallops. As we go into the beginning of next week into Monday and Tuesday, we'll see a fairly nice pattern setting up for us as we'll see warming temperatures for the beginning to middle portion of next week, and really very little in the way of rain chances as well. So should see high pressure really take control of our area and providing us with some pretty tranquil conditions for next week. So looking at the next 24 hours, you can see just a little bit of isolated rain activity through the afternoon today, looking at a high of 64 degrees. Our cloud ceilings will be quite low, currently only about 200 or 300 feet here at Wallops. And as we go into the afternoon, we'll see some improvement in that, seeing those cloud ceilings possibly as high as 4,000 feet by the mid-afternoon hours. Overnight tonight, mostly clear conditions expected, a low of 43 degrees. And for the next 7 days, we're going to look at our rain chances. Very little in the way of rain chances for the next 7 days. Only about a 20% chance of an isolated shower for your Thursday and about a 20% for Sunday. So a fairly dry pattern setting up for us. We'll see some clouds here and there, especially Sunday and Monday. But overall, we're going to see pretty nice conditions with seasonable temperatures Highs this weekend looking in the low 60s, maybe 60 degrees for your Friday and Saturday. And then as we get into next week, seeing those temperatures warm into the upper 60s by Wednesday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.